no! Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick.
Oh look, it's Green Stash.
With a fungus among us.
So, care to join us?
Actually, we're here on business. You see where...
Yeah, cut to the chase. Out with it.
We're looking for Toadette. Have you seen her or any suspicious activity anywhere?
Nope, haven't seen anyone or anything. But we did move a couple of things around to make room for my cart. All we're doing is a little reckless driving.
And hijacking this giant pinball machine.
Shut it! What? Nothing.
Oh, it's a lot more than nothing. This scheme is my one chance to make me shine again. Waluigi, I thought you were over being rejected from Smash Ultimate. It's not about that at all.
Oh boy, here he goes again.
It's about resurrecting the crown jewel of my lifetime. Waluigi Pinball!
But you can't do that! This pinball machine is scheduled to be taken down today! Oh yeah? Says who? Says Toadette!
Oh, she can't say anything. Just look above you. Toadette! This is worse than what you did in the third Grand Prix!
Wait! Who's next to Toadette?
What have you done?
Well, we only ever meant to go for Toadette, but Princess Crazy was talking with her as we dropped in, so basically we captured 2 damsels for the price.
And the effort
Of one!
That's it! We're gonna solve this like real men, right here, right now.
We knew you'd be confronted sooner or later, so we hired Fishy over here to take you out.
Are you too serious? Wait, Spike? Oh my gosh! How are you doing, buddy? Oh, and did you grow out your hair? That looks really good on you.
Shut up! Still want to settle this like real men, old man?
You bet your big slab of fat I do. With a race. Challenge accepted. Especially because it's my home track. 2v2? Deal.
Oh, relax! This won't even take 5 minutes!
Seriously, when was the last time a Connect's Mario Kart video lasted 5 minutes anyway? What are you two clowns waiting for? Move it!
Okay, I'm coming! Jeez Louise!
Yahoo! Fire! I'm a Luigi. Take that, losers. Here we go. Yeah!
No! My crowning achievement is ruined! Look how they massacred my boy!
You! Yes, you! You call yourself a henchman? You'd be a disgrace to Bowser's army. What do you have to say for yourself?
What?
How long have you had that in your mouth? Give me that! Give it to me! Whoa!
Oh. Oh. Sayonara, suckers! Looks like we're blasting off again! Oh!
My hero.
Oh, I'm so glad you're safe.
Despite being kidnapped by the mischievous Wario Bros, I think it's now safe to say that deconstruction is going much better than we expected. Well done, you two.
It's nothing really! Saving the day is part of our job description after all!
Yes, but as much as I like the praise, it just wouldn't feel right if we didn't thank Spike over here. He's the one who dropped that bomb.
Oh, well thank you. Now with that out of the way, let's finish cleaning up this mess.
Alright! Yahoo!